Hi folks, I'm Bob Johnson, Director of Marketing with Great Alaskan Holidays. Every year at about this time, we announce our annual Certified Pre-Owned program, or pre-sale program as it's been called in the past. Yeah, we have a large selection of motorhomes to choose from, and yeah, we have multiple floor plans as well. But I'm not here to talk to you about these motorhomes. I'm here to talk to you about the program. I'm here to explain it to you in clear terms and with examples that may help you make a more informed decision as to whether or not a motorhome from Great Alaskan Holidays is right for you. So what is this pre-sale or certified pre-owned program? Well, here's how it works. First off, each one of our motorhomes have had one single owner throughout the entire life of that RV. Singular control means all of the records that pertain to that vehicle have been stored and maintained by one owner as opposed to several owners throughout the vehicle's life. If you'd like to purchase a motorhome from Great Alaskan Holidays near the end of the summer, this program might fit your needs and your timing. Many of you know that Great Alaskan Holidays is on one hand a motorhome rental company. The motorhomes that qualify for the Certified Pre-Owned program are those that are graduating from the rental fleet after only 3 years of use and typically come with lower miles on them. With our Certified Pre-Owned fleet, you have the assurance that you're getting a pre-owned motorhome that has been meticulously maintained from the day it was picked up from the manufacturing facility. And all of our certified pre-owned motorhomes have to withstand a 117-point safety and maintenance inspection. Wait for it. By our Recreation Vehicle Industry Association certified technicians. That's over 250 years of combined experience, folks. And that's a lot. Every part of the motorhome is examined for quality and performance before it becomes available to any customer. And there's a free 1-year extended service contract on all of these motorhomes. The Certified Pre-Owned program allows you to place a deposit on any available 2018 Winnebago Mini Winnie or Thor 4 Winds motorhome. Although we do have 5 different floor plans to consider, quantities can sometimes be limited. Your deposit will be immediately applied to the purchase price of any available RV under this program. And by putting your deposit down sooner, you'll have an opportunity to choose from units with lower mileage on them or a unit that has become available a bit sooner than the others. The choice is yours. You'll also have your selection of available color schemes. This program also gives you our lowest price guarantee. If prices were to increase on your selected unit, you would stay locked in at that lower price. If our prices were to decrease, you'd get that new lower price. And by waiting until September, you'll save quite a bit of money as compared to waiting until next spring. All units that are eligible for the program will become available for delivery starting in late August and early September. So this program was really designed with the specific intention of saving you a substantial amount of money on your motorhome purchase. So there you have it. The Great Alaskan Holidays Certified Pre-Owned program is going on right now. So if you're interested, stop on by or give us a call, and thanks for watching this video.